Hey guys, John Kane here with BinaryToday.com, and today I'm showing you some sample trades that I've been taking with Binary Strategy in 2018. Today I show you 3 trades, all of them winners, and all of them over a very short period of time. I just wanted to show you that the software is still working extremely well in 2018, and it's going to continue working as we move forward. I really recommend this system to all of the Binary Today readers because it is the best binary options signal software on the internet in the binary options market by a large margin. You can see here there are comments made almost on a daily basis from different traders, all leaving 4 and 5-star reviews for this service. Binary Strategy is by far the #1 binary options trading system on the internet. It isn't close. There isn't anyone else competing with Binary Strategy right now. They are top of the line, so I recommend that you check out my sample trades and that you join with Binary Strategy today. So, without further ado, I hope that you enjoy the sample trades that I put forth today. What you're looking at now is the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is provided free by the Binary Strategy team in the members area. Right now you're seeing me set up a trade. I just received a signal on the right hand side. It is a call signal, so I'm setting my investment to $250 and I'm placing the trade. Now it's a 15-minute trade. All trades with Binary Strategy are 15 minutes, and this is an expiry time that I like a lot for 2018 and for moving forward. I've spent a lot of time in the past with 5-minute expiry times, 30-minute expiry times, and 1-hour expiry times, but I find that my favorite of all of these is 15 minutes. I still use the other expiry times, and I appreciate the systems that provide signals for them, but my favorite right now, and the one that is certainly the best in the market, is Binary Strategy. Binary Strategy has 2 different signal types. You can see in this trade example, we are using a spirit signal type. This is the more frequent and the less accurate of the 2 signals. You can either receive valor or spirit signals. Both are very strong, but I find that the valor signals are the most accurate of the 2. If you're a new trader and you only want to trade a few times a week, then valor would be an excellent way of doing this. But my main recommendation is to use both the signals. You're paying for both. You're a lifetime member as soon as you sign up, so you might as well use what the system has to offer. That's another thing that I really like about Binary Strategy. As you can see, this trade is well on its way to a win, is that when you sign up, there is no extra fees. You don't have to pay in to a lifelong monthly membership, a yearly membership fee. No, you purchase the software one time, you get access to free updates and everything you need for beginner or advanced traders. Now we can see that we won this trade. It was a clear win, and let's move into the next trade. This is going to be a put signal. So you can see I'm clicking on the chart, I'm placing the trade, and again, I'm going to let you walk through and just watch this. I'm going to set that up for $250 on the 15-minute expiry time, and I'm going to click down because the signal is telling me to do this. And all I'm doing with this software is following signals. Now, there are other ways that you can use the software. Some people like to use the software with 5-minute expiry times. Other people like to rely heavily on the trade assistant. You can see on the screen right now, we have the Binary Strategy Valor signal. This is a very high probable winner. And you can see below the trade history, below the pair, below where it says Binary Strategy Valor, is a section called the Trade Assistant. Now, the members area has a video that shows you how to utilize the Trade Assistant, but basically this can be used to verify signals that come in. If you are on a losing streak or you just want to be very cautious, then you can verify the trade with the trade assistant before you place it. And what you can do is essentially look at this section, and if you get a trade that tells you the market is going down, then you would want more arrows on the trade verification trade assistant to be pointing down as well. This isn't something that you have to use, and it's not something that I rely on personally, but from time to time, if the markets are kind of shaky or I just want to be sure, then I'll use the trade assistant and I'll avoid some trades from time to time. You can see here we have about 3 minutes left and we're on the edge, but I'm very confident that this is going to be a winner because 15 minutes is perfect for this type of trading system. This strategy works very well with 15 minutes in that, you might have a close call, but in the end it will always win. And so here we are going in the right direction and we are winning the trade by a large margin in the end, which is what we want to see. For the third trade, this is another spirit signal on the Australian and US dollar. I'm going to set my investment to $250, my time to 15 minutes, and I'm going to fire this up as fast as I can. You can see here that this is actually disagreeing with the trade assistant, which currently has 4 arrows going down. But that just goes to show you that you don't always have to rely on the trade assistant. It's a nice tool to have and it's a nice thing to work with, but it doesn't mean that you have to use it all the time. Sometimes you're going to want to place trades on your own. Other times you're going to want to rely on it. It really depends on how long you've been trading with the system and what type of confidence you have in binary strategy. In the time I've had with binary strategy, I've grown very confident and accustomed to the type of trades it provides. It's a pure winner. And what I mean by that is when I place trades, I feel extremely confident that I'm going to win them. This is certainly the best binary option software that I've ever used, and the signals are tremendous. They win trades, and they do exactly what you want them to do, and that's why I talk about the software so much, and that's why I'm doing another video about it today. So you could see here we've got 5 minutes left in the trade, and it's really going in our direction, which is what happens with binary strategy trades. It's a very strong software, and it understands market trends better than any other signal provider I've ever used. So here we are with a few minutes left. Looks like we're going to get another win, and I'm going to wrap this up with 3 straight wins, $250 each, which is a very nice profit and a very nice afternoon. This is exactly what I want from my binary option signals, and this is why I recommend binary strategy to all of my readers. Thank you for watching the video, and get binary strategy today.